What happened soon after people brought animals to the islands? A. Tortoise eggs were kept in safe containers. B. Scientists took away as many animals as they could. C. The animals ate the tortoises' food and eggs. D. The tortoises fought with the other animals. Or E. The tortoises continued to wander freely. In order to answer this question, we need to locate where we see people bringing animals to the islands in the text. We find this in the 5th paragraph, which tells us that after the first ships, settlers arrived bringing pigs, goats, donkeys, dogs, and cats. Because the question asks us what happened after people brought animals to the island, we need to continue on. The next sentence says, all of these animals ruined life for the tortoises. Donkeys and goats ate all the plants that the tortoises usually fed on, while the pigs, dogs, and cats consumed thousands of baby tortoises each year. Based on this information, we can head down to our choices and select C, the animals ate the tortoises' food and eggs, as our final answer.